Changing your username on Skype is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Open Skype. Launch the Skype application on your device or visit the Skype website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access profile settings. Locate your profile picture or initials in the top corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select Settings or Profile from the options. Step 3. Edit your username. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Edit Profile or Account. Click on it to access your account details, where you will find the option to change your username. Step 4. Enter new username. Type in your desired new username. Ensure that it meets any character requirements set by Skype, such as length and allowed symbols. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Confirm button. Click it to apply the changes. You may need to log out and back in for the new username to take effect. Once you have completed these steps, your Skype username will be updated. Remember to inform your contacts of your new username if necessary.